Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make stir fry. First, ensure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go. This is called mise en place and is crucial for stir frying success. Cut your chosen protein, like chicken or beef, into thin 1-inch strips. Similarly, chop your vegetables into consistent, bite-sized pieces. Don't forget to mix your sauce ahead of time. This saves valuable seconds during the high-heat cooking process. The secret to a great stir-fry is high heat. Get your wok or a large, heavy-bottomed skillet screaming hot over medium-high to high heat. Add just 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil, like peanut or canola, ensuring it shimmers but doesn't smoke excessively. First, sear your protein in batches until it's beautifully browned and cooked through, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per batch. Remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now it's time for the vegetables. Start with the harder ones like carrots or broccoli, stir-frying them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften slightly. Then, introduce your quicker cooking vegetables, such as bell peppers or snap peas, and continue to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Remember, do not overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary to maintain that high heat and achieve a crisp, tender texture, not steamed. For the grand finale, bring your cooked protein back into the pan with all the vibrant vegetables. Give everything a quick toss to combine. Now, pour in your delicious, pre-mixed stir-fry sauce. Stir continuously for about 1 minute, allowing the sauce to bubble and thicken slightly, coating every single ingredient beautifully. Serve immediately over rice or noodles for a truly satisfying meal that's bursting with flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.